Okay, this is the motor from the Tineco handheld, and this is the motor from the upright hard floor vacuum. So let's open this up and look inside there as well. So, as you can see, some water's gone in there. That's why it's seized. I can move it now. I've cleared it up a little bit. As you can see all these little rust particles. I was trying to get it off here, but I'm going to need to desolder it. Now, I do think if you look at the top, both of these, ta-da, and this is the circuit board with the connections. It's just 3 there. This is slightly different, but it's still just 3. They look like they line up to me. So you desolder that. It might go on. This one was actually a bit hard to turn as well. It's got loads of fluff in there. But now I've freed it, it might work. I'm going to try and clean it up a little bit with a wire brush. I might desolder this here, this connection here, this connection here. So there's 3 connections. And then see if it'll lift out. Like I said, you can turn now. Quite freely, actually. Yeah, so that's probably from them using a wet filter. So the water from the filter has been getting sucked into it over time, and then it's just seized up. Yeah. Okay, so now the Other Tineco's working. I was like, I freed up that motor. I was like, will it work? I had a suspicion it would. Plus the battery needed charging. So I put this back together. I borrowed the roller and the plastic front cover from the other one and the charging base. I put it back together. As you can see, it's charging. It does need charge. I tried to initiate a self-clean. It rolls. And then it stops. The water's not going down. But it did that with the last one. Except this time I have got it all screwed in together. But now, because the neck's not secured, my foot is... I don't know, sorry. My foot is going to stay in front of it there like that. Hold on. So, it didn't automatically come on, but turn it on. Hear that motor working? And look, there's water. Now the water's still flashing up there. I'm pretty sure that's because it's not going in. It automatically shuts off when I lift it up though, look. Turn it off. I'm charging base. I did clean up the power inlet. So, what do I need to get this one finished? I think I need the roller, the plastic cover, the neck bit of plastic, whatever that is, and the new plunger that helps leak it down. Probably with a new circuit board on the back. But then that would be working too. Alright, so now I've got to find another scrap Tineco or Tineco or something similar with the right bits. Which I doubt was going to be easy. Because, I mean, I can get the roller on eBay. That's not a problem. The rest of it is, people just don't sell seeds. They don't seem to sell it. So roller, plastic cover, the neck bit, that bit, and a charging base. And this one will be working as well. So, Tineco update 2. Thanks for watching this short video. As you can, I'm going to let this charge up. And then I'll take the roller and the plastic back to my mum's with the other one and the plastic charging base. And I'll just keep this one until I get them parts. Because it's obviously an expensive bit of kit. Fiddly bit of kit, but an expensive bit of kit. So I'm going to let that charge up, do that. Thanks for watching.